put-away strategies, right? The normal put-away strategies. Yesterday's class also we discussed the basic, and we have some issue with the server, and it was resolved. Now we will discuss bit deeply on the put-away strategies. And other scenarios we'll discuss. Okay. And yesterday's class I showed you particularly two nodes, two configuration nodes. I think.
So can we use new material, sir?
Why?
Uh, I think last class we got difference in the stock reviews.
I didn't get you exactly what you mean.
Means while we received, so that material contain uh, different mm, stocks balancer. Different material type RK01, RK02. It is showing different.
I didn't get you seriously.
In the monitor,
Yes.
sir. So last class, I
Mm-hmm.
think while analyzing the stock, sir.
Mm-hmm.
So
Mm-hmm.
we unable to balance the stock. Uh, so that's why I told you, sir.
No, still I didn't get you. What do you mean by unable to balance the stock?
You go there, sir. In the monitor, in available stock.
Mm-hmm.
Stock book was not matching with the transaction.
Yes.
So you mean once you perform the GR, you are not able to match something or what?
Sir, still we are not practice, but in this case, sir, in your system, so
Mm-hmm.
the balance is not matching. So that's why.
Okay, now I can see. If I open the stock for the material which I am using, you mean to say, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me see. This is the material.
Nice, 210. Product.
Mm-hmm. Very can't you can't match.
If we sum this one, something last time we got here.
316.
Extra stock
Okay.
is showing, sir. 360.
Hi Ram.
Yeah.
Today before this class also I checked the SAP.
Mm-hmm.
Still same problem is coming.
Why you are not able to ask him very strongly? I don't know.
Yeah.
You're paying right, so you need to ask right. So there is no issue it's showing. How come? In in real time also you will get this issue. Okay, you cannot escape. This is something like an incident. Okay, you cannot avoid these kind of things. You need to analyze what is the issue and all. This is correct only. Okay, if you see now 2628 is correct only here. Then this is correct only. But previously it is showing something differently, right? Now
Posting
it is
change
showing.
also. Yeah.
Sorry,
Posting change also it was showing.
that's fine. But oh, okay. Where is the portion change? But it is a stock, right? Why it will show portion change here? So this is stock. Okay, here it will not show the portion change. This thing. And previously it is showing some 40, if I remember correctly.
46 something it was.
Now it is showing something strange.
So available stock we can check.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. So we have a problem with sum. Okay, not with the system. This is showing correctly only now. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Shouldn't be. But yeah, something strange. Okay, I can understand. Yeah, it's showing something wrong previously. Now it is showing 360. This is what my question. Why it's showing 360? That is a question. Now it's showing again wrong something. No, no, it's incorrect only. Can you see? 15, 5, 20, 60 here. F1 stock is 60. 100, 200 is 300. But what is the difference? I didn't get that actually. What is strange? Okay. The behavior was not so expected, but we don't bother about this thing now, okay? But thing is like we need to analyze this one. Why it is behaving two different cases. Sometimes something differently, sometimes, but you can't analyze this thing, okay? Now because if you keep on sum this one, it's showing as 360 normally, right? Normally you should count entire this one, okay? So in this case, the above code has been changed to sum, but that is very strange behavior because who you are practicing some above coding, they may try to change this one. No, I don't think so. But this got disturbed, okay? What I can say is like the sum of the quantity got disturbed, which I can confirm that. Because when you say the count, it should entirely show the count of all the products. Now, how much it is showing? 200, 300, 320, 320, 350, 360. Correct only, right?
Sum is correct, sir.
Sum is correct only, right?
Yes, sir, it is correct.
But
360.
previously it
But
was showing around 1200, 1300 it is showing, right? Same material. This material. Let me do one thing. I have only one material here. Okay. Let's continue. But we'll have a check, okay, this part. I think now, I think for all the products it's showing as 1680, okay. For all the products. 21, 21, okay. For this one, it is showing as 3860 something. And if you include this one, it is showing as 1680. I don't think so now its problem is there, okay. But something is a glitch, okay. Previously. We go on mute, guys. Let's continue today's class. Now, I'll show you two things on the put-away strategies that we will discuss in deeply in continuation with the last class. Put-away strategies. Give me a second. Okay, so these three is very clear for you, right? Define storage size per sequence and assignment of storage types to the search sequence, and you need to define the put away control indicator, and you need to assign the search sequence to the put away control indicator. These three are you clear, right? In the last class also, I just explained theoretically. Means we have done it 2 weeks back. So just to remember you, we have maintained something. Search sequence, you are assigning all storage types, and we are going to put away control indicator and assigning search sequence to the put away control indicator. And in the port master, the put away control indicator you are giving as PUT1. This is a up to here. This is the configuration. From here it's a port master. So while testing, how it's working, guys? Testing part. You created PO, you created inbound delivery, and for the respect to inbound delivery, you distributed to EWM. So EWM we have a inbound. In the inbound, system is finding product. So based on the product, when you create a warehouse task, system is trying to find the port master. In the port master, what is there, guys? Put away control indicator was there. In the port master, we have put away control indicator. The port master, what we have? Put away control indicator. This is the product. If you go, you can see the put away control indicator here. Can you see? Put away control indicator is PUT1. So once it is finding PUT1, in put away control indicator we have search sequence. STQN is a search sequence we have in put away control indicator. In this search sequence we have RK01, RK02, RK03, RK04. Storage types. Whatever the bin is empty, based on the bin characters and based on the product characters, system will propose the empty bin, or system will propose the existing bin which is having space to occupy the handling unit. So this is for the last class. Now, how system will find respect to search sequence? I am asking entirely how search sequence, when you create a warehouse task, how system is finding this configuration. Based on the putter, system is finding the put away control indicator, and based on the put away control indicator, system is finding the search sequence. Based on this, it is finding the storage types. How this is working, first of all? Based on what this is working? Based on what that is working?
Fifth, optimize access strategy. We selected put away.
Optimize. Optimize. What is this one? Specify. This both is having lot of relations. This both is having lot of relations. You cannot directly go to optimize. You cannot directly go to optimize. So based on this, you need to go for optimization. If you don't have make changes in specified storage types such sequence or put away, there is no need to change the optimize first of all. When you will change the optimize, based on this configuration, if something is you are adding, that optimization you will change it. This is very important, guys. Okay, in real time, very important. Now I'll go to RKWH. My warehouse I am going RKWH. Based on what now it is triggering, guys? Based on what it is triggering now? Our search sequence.
Indicator.
By the put away control indicator. Now I am deleting this one. Okay, RKWH. I am deleting this one. Deleting, or else I am creating a new one. So RKWH put away control indicator is PUT1, and also I am selecting as party entity to dispose. What is my PED, guys? What is my party entity to dispose? What is my party entity to dispose?
JUPL.
Just talk again. See.
Test 1, 2, 3.
Test 1, 2, 3 is my party entity to dispose. So what I can do, guys? I am giving party entity to dispose as test 1, 2, 3. The default for what, guys? This is the default for what? Party entitled to dispose default for what?
It's a plant.
It's a plant, default for the respective plant. Okay. Now save it, guys. I'm deleting the old one just for understanding purpose. Or else if you want me to keep, I'll keep, okay? But you will confuse. So what I will do, I will delete the first one. Now I will not change the optimize. Let's have some I'll not change the optimize, okay? I'll show you optimization, but I'll not change it. Now my warehouse, how exactly it should work, guys? Now based on what? Based on the configuration which is having now, it will work based on what?
Putaway strategies.
Putaway strategy. Okay. Now I'll go to ECC. I'll create one delivery. Six nine double seven is the delivery number. I'll have one more. Let me. Yeah, this is. So this is my delivery, okay? I have 10, 10, 10 quantity. So what is my product, guys? Here my product is, that's fine. I'll make it put away control indicator for both. UT1 is there. Oh, three ports are there. Okay. So obviously let me try for the first one, okay? Let me do one thing. Let me try to this code. It's fine. We don't keep put away control indicator, it will not work out first of all. Okay. Now what I can do, guys, now can I go ahead and create warehouse task now? Can I go ahead and create warehouse tasks?
Yes.
Okay. If I click on create, it should create without showing error. Now let's see. It is throwing error. Can you see it's throwing error for me when I am creating the warehouse task? What it means, guys, if you are throwing error, system is not able to find the bin. Means search sequence is, you have to check how where exactly it is failing now. Source is fine. Destination we have the issue. What's happening, guys? No entry found. It didn't find any entry. Starting on it was failed. Starting on it was failed. System is not able to find the search sequence. Direct error. Now you go to the configuration. Optimize. RKW. I would like to go with Putaway strategy as well as party entity dispose. I'm checking both, guys, now. Or else what I can do, I can select this one. I can go ahead with one more entry. Party entity dispose. Okay. Now again create a warehouse task, guys. Select the product, click on create, guys. Can you see now? It is in green. System is creating the warehouse task. Stock is going to RKWH 1102 bin. Same thing will apply for this one also. Same thing will apply for this one also. Now you understand, guys, optimization, how it is important. Based on this specified storage type sequence, what and all we have, based on that optimization should be there. For the point. Now we discussed on only Putaway control indicator and the party entity dispose. That's it. We have warehouse process type is there. We have quantity classification is there. We have stock type is there. So this and all we will not use. Stock type, quantity classification, and warehouse process type. In case if I give quality, in case I want to go ahead with quality, stock type, what I can do, let me do one thing, okay. This is like very hard task, but let me try in a different way. What I can do, I will delete this one. I'll go for new entries. If you keep it also, there is no problem, okay. Putaway control indicator, I am saying as PUT1. Stock type, I am taking it as F2. So I would like to have two things now here. Stock type is if it is general stock, it should go to. If it is general stock, normal stock, F1, F2 stock, system should propose STQ1 search sequence.